Hello. If I ask you to name the greatest fear in the world, what would you say? Snakes, heights? But for most people, the true answer is glossophobia, the fear of public speaking. It's the shaking hands, the pounding heart, and the overwhelming desire to simply disappear the moment you hear your name called. We treat this fear like a natural disaster that must be avoided at all costs. But I'm here today to challenge that mindset. I stand before you to make a clear, vital point. The fear of public speaking is not an identity. It is a learned habit, and dictating yourself to overcoming it is the single most important action you can take to unlock your professional and personal potential. It's time to stop letting a little bit of anxiety steal huge opportunities. So, why is it so vital to take actions against this fear? The simple reason is that your success in the modern world is directly proportional to your ability to communicate your value effectively. If you are unwilling to speak in front of a group, you are essentially imposing a ceiling on your career growth. Think about it. Every leadership role, every new client pitch, every major team presentation relies on persuasive, confident communication. When you avoid these moments due to fear, you are essentially handing over influence, visibility, and promotions to someone who might have a less brilliant idea, but who is willing to stand up and speak about it. Public speaking is not a magic. It's a muscle, like any muscle. It only gets stronger and less painful to use through consistent, structured exercise. By treating it as a required professional skill, not an optional talent, you begin the essential process of replacing fear with focused competence. I know firsthand how overwhelming this fear is. I remember being absolutely terrified of public speaking. For years, the physical symptoms alone, the rapid pulse, the shortness of breath, made me dread any class presentation or work meeting where I have to talk. I would rehearse until midnight, only to stand up and feel my carefully planned speech dissolve into a blur of nervous energy. This desire to quit was intense. However, my journey changed when I stopped aiming for instant perfection and started aiming for progress. I decided to enroll a communication class. I want to be honest, I didn't walk into the first session and suddenly became a orator. My hands still shook a little. I still forgot a line here or there. But the structured environment, the requirement to stand up week after week and deliver a small speech, even if imperfectly, started creating small victories. It was consistent, the low stakes practice that mattered most. And that's the key takeaway from experience. I am slowly overcoming this fear, not totally, but at least I do have a progress. I'm not a perfect speaker, but I am now a willing speaker. I can now articulate my ideas with clarity, and small, crucial shift has changed everything for me. It proves that the goal isn't to eliminate all anxiety, but to reduce it into a manageable level so you can deliver your message. So, let me bring it back to where it started. Overcoming the fear of public speaking is an essential investment that pays lifelong dividends in influence and opportunity. If you are letting this fear dictate your choices, take your heart in the knowledge that you don't not need to instant eloquent. You only need to be willing to practice, find your version of communication class, a low-stakes environment, a supportive group, or even just recording yourself in your living room like this. Embrace progress over perfection, and watch as the fear that once held you captive becomes the catalyst for your greatest achievements. Thank you.